HubKoin Exchange Tutorials: How to Send Cryptocurrency by Email. To begin, you will need to log into your HubKoin account. Go to hubcoin.io and click the Sign In button at the top right-hand corner. You will be redirected to trade.hubcoin.io and you should see the login screen. Enter your credentials and log in. When you log in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Select Wallets on the top banner. You will see modules, one for every kind of currency you have. For example, if you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Canadian dollars, you will see a module for each currency. At the bottom of each module, you will see an arrow pointing to the top right. This is the send icon. To send cryptocurrency, select the send icon. A menu will come up on the right side of your screen. This is where you will enter the information of the person you are sending cryptocurrency to. To send cryptocurrency via email, select To Email Address. Enter the email address of the person you are sending cryptocurrency to and the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Enter a note to go with the transaction if you wish. This is an optional step. When the information is entered correctly, select the Send button. A pop-up will appear. This pop-up will show the information you have entered. If everything is to your satisfaction, select Confirm. If the person you are sending cryptocurrency to does not have an account with HubKoin, they will receive an invitation to create an account to claim their funds.